beautiful soul, look at my sparkly bow. And I'm feeling very sleepy, but I love making these videos, channeling these messages and sharing this wisdom that I'm naturally very disciplined at it. And so I have some very powerful messages, but even though like if you have watched my last two videos, how what I'm navigating, I just love showing up here, that no matter what I'm going through, I will just show up. It's just anyway. So the number one message that I'm receiving here right now is to hold the deep intention and the prayer in your heart, to experience deep calm and deeper peace in your interactions with other human beings, to hold the solid intention in your heart, to experience deeper calm, deeper peace, deeper harmony, deeper love and joy and deep emotional safety in your friendships, in your connections, in your relationships and interactions with other human beings. You have to set an intention, like I intend to experience deeper calm, deeper peace in my interactions with other human beings. I intend to experience deeper joy, deeper calm, deeper peace, deep emotional safety in my relationship with other human beings. And just in general, holding that intention, I intend to have calmer experiences and interactions with other human beings today. I intend to experience deeply healing experiences with other human beings today. Experiences and interactions with other human beings today. Yeah. Holding that intention in your heart, and something about understanding that same energy, if the bond between siblings is peaceful, they will have peaceful relationships outside the home environment, like meaning their friendships, their relationships are going to be peaceful. And there is this calm state that you exist in. There is this sensation of peace that exists inside of you when you have experienced peace in your relationships. And peace does not mean that there is not conflict. Peace happens when there is a safe space between two people, that if there is a conflict, that will be talked about instead of neglected or ignored. There is a safe space between two people that they can healthily discuss the conflict. They can healthily resolve the misunderstanding. Peace is a natural occurrence of both parties willing to have hard conversations with each other. Both parties are committed for the win-win scenarios. Peace is the natural occurrence of the ability, the commitment to sit through our all kind of emotions, all emotions. We are willing to look into our jealousies, our hatred, our... Bring magic in your life with my magic paintings. This painting says, dearest God, dearest Mother, thank you for guiding me. Thank you for leading my way. when you live around this painting, the way you start to move in this world very bravely, confidently, courageously, you would find yourself becoming most braver, bolder, confident version of yourself, and it's just so much divine guidance and peaceful energies into your life. Super powerful. Super, super. You can't miss the magic. You can't. I'm telling you, you cannot. Okay. Also, you can hire me and I will channel a customized magic painting uniquely for you. A painting that will bring lot of success, high vibrations, good energies, power, love, and like sacred, peaceful, pure energies into your life. It's so powerful, and our own feelings of revenge, our own hurt, our own tendencies which are unhealthy. So when we are willing to see, look so deeply into ourselves, hear all all emotions in ourselves, the peace is gonna just be the natural occurrence, you know. It's not something that you build, it's something that occurs as you sit through all of your emotions, as you are willing to, you know, look into all of your emotions. And same goes relationships, you know, because then the other human being will also have emotions. And uh, willing, you know, it's like warm blanket, how safe it is, a warm blanket. That should be the sensation in the relationship, in your especially in your close relationship, and even in business. I want that. I aspire, like, my intention to have is that kind of safe sensation. Relationship and the interaction with another human being should not feel like a war zone, like you are in some war zone, you know, or like in some danger. That sensation. But most of us grew up in that kind of sensation, right? Back at home, home felt like such a danger zone. It felt like a war zone, wherein you are by yourself and you have to protect yourself from everybody. We grew up in that kind of sensation. And now in our adulthood, all relationships feels like that danger zone. So we have to now cultivate that sensation of calmness and peace, and that warm blanket, you know, the safe. And then visualizing that sensation overflowing into our friendships, into our interactions with another human being, into our connections, and what we build. And I was like today sitting at the river, and I set this intention that every human being in my world must feel so seen, so loved, so safe, so supported, so involved. Like yes, they are being acknowledged and they are involved. That's what. Do I know how to do that? Do I know how to create that? No, I don't, because I myself suffer from a lot of social anxiety, you know. But I am committed to learning about it. I'm committed to, you know, holding, and I know as I hold this intention in my heart, it will start to happen, because that is what is necessary, you know. We as human beings become so violent. We even in our day to, when we kill a spider just like that, like that's we acting out of anger and frustration, you know. And as as human beings feel safer and calmer, what they do is also creates calmness and safety and peace. So I want to, my intention is that God creates that calm in this world through me, that peace through me. And I'm sharing this with you so that you become clear on what feeling you want to create in this world. What feeling do you want to create in this world? Become clear on that, and then let gods and goddesses of creativity create through you. You know, and the way sometimes, me wearing this sparkly bow will inspire joy. Because I also want to create joy in this world. So me wearing this silver sparkly bow creates the joy. So whatever the feeling you want to create in this world, become clear on that, and you will, so many times, it's a very feminine approach, but it's not like you becoming even clear. It's like clarity happens for you. It happens for you. Your path of prosperity gets made and aligned for you, and you are put on that path. You are put on the path of what you're meant to do. You are put into right friendships. You are put into right environment. You are put into right relationships, right kind of, fashion for you, right kind of healing medicine for you. Because sometimes music will be a healing medicine for some people. Sometimes exploring wild sexual fantasies will be the healing experience for some people. Sometimes creativity would be that. Sometimes being around river. So different, and sometimes fashion is the medicine for some people, creating outfit. So like you are put on this path. It's not like you drag yourself on that path. No. Most of the time, all these paths, you are just naturally led. You are gently led, very gently led to the love of your life, to the career that is for you, to the path of prosperity and financial abundance that is for you, to do right friendships and relationships. You are gently led on them. Okay, so yeah, I have multiple mentorship options available. 1 week mentorship, my 1 month of mentorship, and my 3 months of mentorship, which will be a deeper level of support for you. Like in my 3 months one-on work, you will have a safe space with me to navigate your fears, your worries, your anxieties, your limiting beliefs that are keeping you small, the ancestral patterns. And even in your, if you feel like, oh, I'm not gifted enough, I have nothing to offer to the world, or you have lot of creative blocks, work with me and I will, like, revamp, bring magic to all areas of your life. And I have my one-on-one psychic guidance session also available. If you need psychic guidance right now, channel messages for you right now. I'm feeling so sleepy right now. And my journaling course is also there. The wisdom that I've shared inside my journaling course is the exact wisdom that you need right now to expand yourself into your next magic era. Like that wisdom will expand you into your next magic era. And I have my ebook called Energetic Activation for Brand New Life, that will, the prayers, the intentions, the powerful verses and affirmations inside my ebook will upgrade your every area of your life to the max. It's so powerful, like so incredibly powerful. The intentions, the prayers, the powerful affirmations that I have mentioned inside of them. So powerful, like it feel like a cleansing, deep cleansing of your heart. Like, wow. So I think you're feeling this heart energy, get it, get this ebook, get this ebook. Like, if your heart is telling you to do so. Yeah, another thing that one last message before I end this video is about, like, uh, siblings within siblings, if the bond between siblings is peaceful and calm, they will these siblings will experience such peacefulness in their life. And the bond between siblings gets peaceful and calm if the parents were existing in calmness, were existing in peace. But if both the parents, or if there were clashes happening and there was no resolve, like, of course, there is conflict always occurring in relationships, but if there is no resolve happening, if there is no repair happening, that consistently creates chaos. So if parents, you know, were not creating resolve, they were not existing in calmness, and it was not even their something like, okay, they were not holding that intention in their heart, like, okay, I want to experience calm. They were not, it was not their desire. So without this desire, they will naturally, their relationship will be very chaotic. Okay, and the siblings they will have sibling rivalry, and then in their adulthood, they will have these rivalries going between their friends and their partnerships and all, and that's chaos. More chaos is being created, right? So and it's not about like hating on your parents or on your family. No, it's not about that. It's about you breaking that pattern, and praying praying, because prayer is you breaking the pattern. When you pray that, God, I want to experience deeper calm, deeper levels of peace in my friendships, in my connections, in my relationships. So you are breaking that pattern of chaos in your relationships, and if you have peace in your relationships and friendships, you will have peace in your life. You will have it. So holding that intention that, God, I intend to experience deeper calm, deeper ease, deeper peace, deeper